Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows search bar is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So before anything else, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Now open the Task Manager. We need to restart the Windows Explorer process. So let it load. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. If you don't find it here, then you will have to scroll down to Background Processes and you will find Explorer in this list. Now, if this doesn't help, then straight away perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Does this help? If not, then try the next solution. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Okay, click on Open System Restore. Click on Next, choose a good restore point, click on Next, click on Finish, and then let the process go through by clicking on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.